discuss the chapter number 9, networks. You know what is the meaning of networking, my dear students. Networking is a term which tells about the network between a person to person. What is the use of network? Use of network is just for the sharing your information from one resources to the another resources. What is the resources for the network? Resources of network is, first one is a sender. Of course we need a sender who will send whatever you want to communicate, and next is a receiver who will get your communication point, and in between of sender and receiver one authorized user can take a part, so our mail can send and easily get by the receiver. So networking means we need sender to receiver, whatever the communication take place. Your networking means how we can share our information with one resources to another resources. Okay. Next is components of computer network. My dear student, component, for the component we will talk about the three things. Components means LAN, MAN and WAN system. It is definitely not new for you. In class 7th I told you what is the meaning of LAN, MAN and WAN. These kind of the three systems. This is local area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network. Local area network means we are talking about small ranges, like we are talking about a campus, we are talking about a building blocks. So that is known as a local area. MAN means we are talking about the city side, means the distance should be vast, and WAN means distance should be very vast. So it is differentiated. The working is same, the function is same, but the resources are different just because distance are different. But the working is same to sharing your information. That is the three kind of the component, and one is often you have that is known as a PAN. PAN means personal area network. Personal area network means if you are creating a network resources in one PC which you are using, that is known as your personal area network. So this is the types of networking which we studied about, my dear students. Now what is the advantage and disadvantage? The local area network, the cost is less just because the range is less, like other network it is sharing it for that we can use the modern technology for that. Modern, you know what is the meaning of modern, which is used, this is GTS cable which is used to share the information. Disadvantage, increase the number of nodes, it may decrease. If we are increase the number of nodes, means if we increase the system, the range will be low for the LAN system. In case of the MAN, if you are talking, my dear students, MAN covers the wide range as comparison to the LAN. Okay, disadvantage, it is higher in cost just because it's taking the high range of networking system. Last we will talk about the wide area network. It is large area taking. When we are talking about the large distance, we put the WAN. Definitely the resources are very different. Resources are costly just because we are covering a large area as comparison to the MAN and LAN. So these are the devices which is useful for that. Okay. And next is personal area network. When we are talking about the individual person who's taking the authorization software, who is using their own self and who is using the authorized networking system, that is known as personal area network. The next is we will discuss the campus area network. It is just like I am showing by the figure wise. This is just like that, where at least 1 node, 2 nodes, 3 nodes and 4 nodes. Means at least 4 systems can be attached by the same resources. My dear students, now I am going to tell you how it is working. Any networking system will be work with the help of the resources. And what is the resources for that? The resources is, one is server and because according to the topology we decided the distance between one CPU to the another CPU, and the distance decide the range, and the range decide the cost of the particular resources. So my dear students, one we will write the server and another one is client. One should be the server, which is the main resource system, which is having a power to share the data with all the system. So first is server and another one is your client resources. So today we will discuss about what is networking, how can we useful with the networking, how many types of networking, component of that, advantage and disadvantage, and what is the meaning of server and client. That's all for today. Thank you so much.